Right now I'm near the waterfall. I don't know the name of this place, but Sadim and we made it till here. I was scared of my phone because if I lose my phone, every footage in my phone will be gone. So that's why I took a risk to come here, and I tied my bag with this thing, and I came from that side, and Sadim came here by swim over here. So now I'm going to go there and I'm going to record the waterfall. I know you guys already watched it, especially the Arunachalis. They already watched this place, but I'm going to record this video for the other people who cannot make it till here, or those people who cannot come here. So I'm going to do this for you guys. Oh, it's very cold. Oh my God. Sadim! Guys, this is very extraordinary, you know. Before that, I was up there with that guy, and we came down. From there, I came down and Sadim came from this side, from here. And I made it till here because I really want to record the waterfall. I'm in love with this place. I mean this spot. I don't know how to swim, but I'm learning how to swim. I really want to go that side, but I think I'm not going to make it. Sorry, I have to speak a little loud because I'm thinking maybe my phone cannot record my voice because of the sound of the waterfall. You guys can say I'm a little excited because I never done this before in my entire life. I did this. Look at Sadim. Oh my God, he's enjoying so much. Whoa, I'm in love with Arunachal. Really, I'm in love with this upper Siang. My God, look at that. The power of water is so much for me that I cannot swim. I think from here it's very deep. Sadim, यहाँ पे deep है क्या? यहाँ पे deep है. This side is very deep. Got it. Got it. We made it. Guys, I'm scared of my phone too. I think my phone is not a waterproof phone, but it's a water resistant phone. I have a lot of footage of Arunachal and even my hitchhiking. I really want to save my data till now. So that's why I'm going to stop my video and I'm going to take some still pictures. Alright guys, see you in a while. This is your one and only lunatic traveler. Alright guys, this is your one and only lunatic traveler back again with this video. Right now I'm at we don't know the name of this place, so we arrived. Open. Open. Okay guys, we're going to climb up over here. Okay, we will try. तो नीचे कैसे आएंगे?
नीचे भी तो
अरे बाप रे। Alright guys, I'm going to upload this raw video. Alright guys, I'm going to shoot it. I'm trying to shoot it. Okay. More? Okay. We got it. Alright guys, I'm getting close to the waterfall. आज सारा फुटेज इसके अंदर है, इसको खोना नहीं चाहता मैं। अरे नहीं हो गया यार। Alright guys, we arrived at the waterfall. Alright. And right now I'm with my friend Serim and me. Oh my god, look at that. Guys, I'm going to upload this raw video. I cannot edit it. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm going to take a selfie right now. And this guy is from Rajasthan. And we are shooting. Alright, we have to take a selfie. We will try. Alright guys, give us a minute.